Hi, I'm Sohali Khan. Welcome. Imagine this: flakes falling every time you touch your hair, or your favorite black outfit turning into an embarrassment. Yes, I'm talking about dandruff, the silent villain on your scalp, feeding on oils and wrecking your confidence. You've tried it all: curd, lemon, oils, OTC shampoos, but it only gets worse. Well, don't panic, because today we're uncovering the truth with insights from a dermatologist to guide you to a healthier scalp. So let's get started. Welcome, doctor, and thank you for joining us. So, doctor, many people think that dandruff is just dryness or a cosmetic issue. Is it really that simple?
So dandruff is basically the overgrowth of a fungus that's naturally present on all of our scalps. This can cause excessive skin shedding and inflammation, and when left untreated, it can lead to seborrheic dermatitis. It can also spread to other areas like on your face, like the sides of your nose, behind your ears, the beard area, your upper chest, your back. It can cause a lot of hair thinning and hair fall. It can cause acne on your face or on your back. So yes, dandruff is not just a cosmetic issue.
Now that we've understood that it's not just dryness, doctor, please tell us when and why people suffering from dandruff should seek medical consultation.
So yes, a lot of people typically assume that dandruff is a very minor issue and they don't bother to do anything about it. Very often you can control it on your own with home remedies, with OTC shampoos that are available, which contain zinc pyrithione, for example. But sometimes that's not enough. So if your dandruff is really severe, it's not responding to these things, or if you see redness, inflammation, severe itching, or if you see your dandruff spreading to other areas like your eyebrows, your beard, as I mentioned before, these are signs that you need to get help from an expert. If you're dealing with acne happening because of your dandruff, then definitely talk to a dermatologist.
Doctor, why is it that most of the home remedies fail to treat dandruff? Why is dandruff so stubborn? And why do these quick fixes not work?
So absolutely, while Malassezia, which is the fungus that causes dandruff, is the main cause, other factors like stress, what you're applying, your regular products that you apply on your scalp, or your lifestyle, all of these play a huge role on your dandruff. So just treating the fungus is very often not enough. A lot of home remedies don't work because some people apply lemon on their scalp. Now the pH of lemons is not suitable for your scalp. It'll actually irritate your scalp. For a while you may feel like your scalp's gotten all squeaky clean, but it's actually irritated your scalp further and it'll worsen the dandruff. Oils, a lot of hair oils are available which people apply thinking it'll help reduce the dandruff, it'll help reduce the dryness. But oils actually form a protective sort of a coating on the surface of the scalp, which is going to help this Malassezia grow even more. So oils are not going to work on dandruff either. So you need an individualized treatment that will work for your scalp. Every scalp is different, every scalp needs to be treated differently. The same ingredients may not work for every patient. So you sometimes need to be evaluated by a dermatologist, and then you need to use the right kind of medicated shampoos or medicated lotions for your dandruff.
What is the key takeaway for managing dandruff?
I think the main go-to here is to seek professional help early when it's needed. Realize when it's not just about the shampoo. Look out for what the root cause is, whether it's oil, whether it's fungus, whether it's sensitivity, whether it's your lifestyle, and treat it accordingly.
What should people do to maintain scalp health?
Broadly, when we're talking about scalp health, it's a very holistic approach. You need to maintain your lifestyle well, eat a lot of antioxidants in your diet, have good omega-3 fatty acids, make sure there's a good zinc intake, a good protein intake. All of these things are really important. Avoid very harsh products on your hair. So avoid very high sulfate containing shampoos, even if they claim to be anti-dandruff. Read the ingredients on what exactly you're using. Make sure you're not just falling prey to marketing scams out there. Don't just go by what worked for your friend. Look for what's going to work for your own individual scalp and hair.
So dandruff isn't just about flakes or itching. It signals underlying issues like seborrheic dermatitis and acne. Don't wait for dandruff to spiral out of control. Consult your dermatologist and find a solution individualized for your scalp. Your dermatologist knows best and will help you to stay flake-free and confident. Your scalp, your story. No shortcuts, just expert care.